Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to convert Microsoft Word document to Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from a laptop or desktop, just open Chrome browser and just search for Microsoft 365. Once you type a Microsoft 365, there will be a Office doc form will be open here. So this is the Office documents over here. So if you want to log in with that, you just log in with your Gmail account or email account using Microsoft Office. Once you log in with that, there will be a lot of options will be available. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, everything will be available. You can create a new Word and PowerPoint, everything. So for example, I just click here for the Word, I just click here for blank document to create a documents. So if I want to create a PowerPoint, Excel, everything will be online. I can use easily to online itself. Yes, so now I have created some Word document over here. So this is my Word documents. I just want to convert this Word document into PowerPoint. What I have to do here? So just go to file menu and just go to export option. Once you click the export option, there will be export to PowerPoint preview will be there. So just click here for export to PowerPoint presentation. So it will ask you and it will suggest you different types of styles over here. So as you see here, so there are plenty of styles over there in that format, and you want to see the more theme, you can just click the more theme options. So it will load and it will show you the different types of themes over there. So whatever themes you want, you can insert and have access. Just I click some ideas of the theme and just click export, means within a second my PowerPoint presentation will be start summarizing. Yes, yeah, your presentation is ready. Just click here for open presentation. So within a second, within a click from a Word to PowerPoint, it is a simple and easiest trick. My dear guys, you just check it out. It is beautiful. Yes, so my text has an introduction, so introduction page is there. So after that my text will be there. So as you see here, so the second slides will be in a different format and the third slide will be in a different format. So it will make a AI tool in a different way. See, HowXT Learn is next level of education. So whatever I've given, the highlighted one will be the different slide, and whatever the content over there in that, it will be in a different style, so that it will be easy to have access. So the AI, Microsoft AI itself convert and make your Word to presentation model, so that it is easy while you want to present it to your audience or to your clients within a second. So you want to make a presentation, means use a simple click. Just go to Word online, that is go to office.com, just go to login with your Gmail account, and whatever Word file is there, just open, or if you have a file, means just download and open in Word, and just click file menu and go to export, and export as a presentation, means it will show you the designs and you can click the design and make a simple and easiest trick. Just click the design and just click export, means prepare your slide within a second and summarizing your content and adding your things, and just click open presentation. It will give you beautiful PowerPoint presentation. As you see now, my introduction, whatever informations, everything will be displayed over here. So whatever designs you choose, everything will be added in your things, as you see here. So whatever highlights there, everything will be displayed through the theme which you selected. Everything will be displayed over here. So if you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.